Hey guys, fading prestige here. I'm playing another Brawl Stars video today, so yeah, I hope you like it. I'm gonna just be playing on Siege. I seem to find Nita to be the most useful character because she can throw her bear right in front of the bolts, and the bear just kind of acts as a big tank. Okay, we didn't get the good lucky side this time, so I don't know. I'm hoping it goes well. Yeah, I already died, but I'm not the first, so alright. Yeah, once I get that bear, he can just sit there and act as a tank. Alright, right here, right here. Boom! Dude, I placed that beautifully. Alright. Oh, he stole that. That was mine. That was rightfully mine. Oh, dynamite. Alright. That's a lot of damage to the siege bot. Alright. Boom. Yeah, you don't want to do that. Oh, get out. Why is he taking the gems or the things when they're rightfully mine in the first place? Stop! Dude! I'm the one that's earning them. He just stands there and like takes them from me. Little perk. Alright, hold on. Ah! Ah! Oh! Alright, hold on. Ah! I hate the Poco on my team. He's so I was gonna say something. Alright. Just kind of toxic. Alright, I'll give him I'll give him that one, but it's not gonna happen again. Hey! Hey! Yeah, you know what it is? We're going for a double! That's a triple! Quadruple! Hey! Bro, we win it. We about to be winning this. Okay, dude, I took care of her. Alright. Alright, yeah, do your thing, Poco. Ah! I said that was the last time that was gonna happen. And can't kill him either. He's already dead. Hey, look at that little fool trying to get me. Of course he's the star player because he stole all the bolts from me. Little thing. I can't swear though. I don't swear. All right. Boom. Star token. Hey, hey, you know what it is. I want to play at least one more round, though. Just because I'm nice like that, you know? Who to pick? Ha. I'm gonna go with Bull. This is gonna end horribly. Alright. I just like him. He does so much damage, but the thing is you have to be, like, right next to them. Like, 3 feet away. Like look at this. Look at this. That seems like middle range compared to some. Like, that's almost better than Rose's. But, like, farther it goes, the less damage it does. So, yeah. Ah! Okay, a little bogus, but I see it. It is what it is, eh? Get out of here, bro. You cannot beat me. Alright. I'm sorry, guys. That was a mere mistake on my end, but it won't happen again. Yeah, trust me. I can't promise it, but just a little trust here, you know? That was all me. That was all me. Ha! Level 3 siege bot! Hey, get out of here! Die! Alright. Oh, yeah, get out of here, Franklin. No! Dude, stop! Dude, well, where is my... Come on, guys, spawn already. Jeez! Dude, we're gonna lose. We're gonna lose. Time to idle disconnect. Any time now, alright? Dude! Can a man idle disconnect up in here? Oh my god. Alright, minus 6 trophies. I'm a little mad because that's like half of what I would have if I didn't lose. So, you know, but... Well, technically that is 2 rounds. So, I should probably end off the video here. Thanks for watching. And, yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.